Hey guys, it's Jasmine here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be a little different. I am currently about to be going to Panama. We're packing in the Mangrum family household. And I decided to film how I like to pack and what I like to bring with me and how I organize everything. And so this is that type of video again, an organization travel video. You'll see the before and after. You'll see the picture that is on the screen now, which is before, which is a wreck. It looks like nothing's gonna fit in this suitcase. And then you're going to see the after, which is beautiful, neatly packed, and just so organized. And so if you guys want to see how I did all that, and so I'll show you guys how I like to finesse my packing. So let's get started. So the first thing I like to do when I am packing for a long trip, I like to first, as you can see, pile everything onto the suitcase. Just get all the clothes that I want to wear or planning on wearing on the trip, and I just pile them in a pile and somewhere in my room, usually in a corner, and then after I get all the clothes, then I pack them neatly in my suitcase. So I already did that to save you guys the time. Okay, so what I have right now, only thing that I already packed is my bathing suits right here and my underwear and all that stuff, or all my clothes on the side, and I sorted them: workout wear, pajamas, makeup, and shoes, and then all my jean shorts and stuff over here. And then if you can't really see that, but I have a rain jacket, more underwear, more stuff back there, miscellaneous stuff. And so first I'm going to put all of my workout wear and my pajamas on this side, and I like to roll my clothes, so I'll show you how I do that. You see that little hole over here? Yeah, I'm gonna put some shoes right there. This side is all complete for right now, so I'm gonna flip this over and then we're going to go on to the other side. So basically, I'm gonna do the same thing that I did that side to this side. First, actually, I'm gonna put some of these shoes on the bottom, and then I'm gonna roll up on my jeans and on my crop tops, and then put them in this compartment very neatly and nicely. And I kind of like to keep outfits together, so if I know I'm going to wear these jeans with that crop top, then I'm going to put them together.
Shame on you.
Just letting y'all know, I went to the Chris Brown concert. If you want to see pictures from there and what I wore, it will be on my Instagram, Jazmine.Mangrum. Okay, so I packed everything in there. Here is both sides of my suitcase all filled up. I just put my jacket over top of all my clothes because I wasn't trying to roll it up because it would just not fit. And now, for all of my makeup and other stuff, I recommend whenever you're flying to a different country, I recommend packing all of your makeup, and there's some jewelry down there if you can see that, and all of the things that you don't want to get broken in your carry-on. So that is what I'm going to be putting all of this stuff in. We are going to pack that next, but all I gotta do now is zip this up and I'm ready to go. I don't really have a really good container to put all of this stuff in, but I do have two that I use every time. So I have this brush holder, which I got off of Amazon, I believe. I got it a while ago, but you can get these anywhere. And then I have this little box thing where I got from, I almost tipped it over. I got from a cheer competition a while ago. It's just a box where you have all this room to put the makeup in. And so I'm just going to be putting my makeup in these two containers, and that's how I'm going to travel with them. When I do all of my actual makeup, I go by how I apply it. So first I do foundation, then I work my way to concealer, then to powders, then to bronzers, blush, highlighters, etc. Here is everything nice and neat in this box. Now, everything that I'm going to put in my carry-on bag is basically going to be my makeup and my cameras and my computer and anything electronic. Alright guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys want to see more of traveling style videos, then definitely give this one a big thumbs up. I'm going to be posting a lot on my Instagram during and if you guys want to see more of the outfits and type stuff, I might even do like a lookbook or something, and also I might even vlog. So if you guys want to see that, definitely subscribe so you can definitely see more videos from me. And so thank you guys all for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!